Hello, it's Pinkermom. If you're new to this channel, I'm Tricia. It's spring break and I've been doing some cleaning and rearranging. So I've got some new plants and I'm a newbie, so I'm gonna start with small and easy ones. My husband is the expert one. So today I've got these indoor plants and let's repot them. Here's what we need: pots, trays. I've got these all from Daiso. Fluffy pot bottom stone and soil for flower with fertilizer. And water. And for the tools, we would need a scissors and chopsticks. Let's start. Let's prepare. Oops. Sorry. Let's prepare the pots, and for today we would only need 2. Place any used paper or newspaper since this can be quite messy. Since these are small pots, let's also choose the smaller stones. Oh, they're quite hard. So let's just choose the smaller ones. Stones done. Next, let's put the soil. Now we're gonna use the chopsticks, but not for eating. Now we're gonna take out the plant from the old pot. Let's use the chopstick and gently poke around, but be careful so the roots won't be damaged. Gently place it to the new pot and position it in the middle. Now we're just gonna fill the rest of the pot, and I'm just gonna use my hands because it's easier. Now we want to make sure that the soil is even by pressing it down slightly, and that the plant is sturdy and not shaky. Now the other plant too. We would just repeat the same procedures as we did on the first plant. And done! Wow, what a mess! Now it's time to clean up. Clean, clean, clean! And put the trays under the pot. Almost done! Now let's water them. I know I'm using a teapot. To make sure that they are watered well, check the tray if it's already wet. Word of the day! Plants. In Filipino, halaman. In Japanese, shokubutsu. In Czech, rostliny. Can you say it? And for the final touch, let's spray the leaves and mist them plants. Freshness! Here they are! Woo, so lovely! I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or video suggestions, please comment down below. Special shout out the Sungodian, Theodore TV Family Vlogs. I am Karen De La Cruz TV, MSP Vlog. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell button. See you next time! Bye!